and you are all lovers, then be a genius in your romantic love. You are all teachers, then be a master teacher, a genius teacher. You are all trainers, then be a genius trainer. You are all managers, then be a creative manager. You are all leaders, then why not be a genius leader? You are all fathers, then why don't you be a master, a great genius father? You are all mothers, then why don't you be a genius mother, an enlightened mother? So be that. That is what I call it is all a choice, and you have to decide upon your choices. Take decisions. That's the greatest wonderful, magical, mysterious power given to the human entities.